riding on the big yellow bus. With all our friends, no need to rush. The engine starts, we wave goodbye. Adventure waits beneath the sky. Let's go on a school trip today. We'll learn and laugh and run and play. See new things, hear new sounds, fun and smiles all around. We visit places bright and new, with so much fun for me and you. Animals, trees, and flowers bloom. Our happy hearts go boom, boom, boom. We share our snacks and stories too, laughing loud with our fun crew. The sun shines bright, the sky is blue. School trips make dreams come true. Let's go on a school trip today. We'll learn and laugh and run and play. See new things, hear new sounds, fun and smiles all around. Teachers guide us, friends hold hands. Together we explore new lands. Let's go on a school trip today. We'll learn and laugh and run and play. See new things, hear new sounds, fun and smiles all around. Let's go. We'll learn and laugh and run and play. See new things, hear new sounds, fun and smiles all around. Knock, knock, here comes the man, with a big brown bag in hand. Letters, parcels, cards so bright, he brings them morning, noon, and night. Where to post office, busy all day, sending love and smiles away. Stamps and envelopes, neat and small, the postman brings joy to all. Red box standing on the street, drop your letter, nice and neat. Off it goes, so far, so near, bringing messages full of cheer. Letter post